Okay, so this is the username is gold spot, password. Okay, so this is your UI. Okay, this looks good. Again, pretty simple and understandable. So this is where I can base my interests on. So let's say I like skiing. Oh, this is good. So I have all the farm information here. Okay, so this is their address. Okay, good. Okay, this is my interest address. Okay, so because I like ski, so this is the ski resort. Okay, that's good. So this is that. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, so we have Mount Buller. Okay, cool. So they're skiing at Mount Buller as well. So I have different. Okay, good. Yeah, that's good. Let's see the details. Okay, that's perfect. So in January, February, okay, I can see it like that. You have labor demands for each fruit. You have stone fruit. Okay, we have high for stone fruit. Cherries, there is no. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. This is the days. Okay, oh, this is really good. So I get all the information about the temperature as well. Wow, this is good. Good, good, good. Oh, this is, and these are your quick links, I assume. Oh, okay. This is for the payment. Like, okay, this is good. Very good. So let's see what this has. Okay, so this is your fair work on how much am I gonna get or something like that. Oh, this is good, good, good. Okay. That's easy. Okay, let's check home again. Okay, so these are your different sections. Let's try taxes. Okay, if you want to take quick look. Okay, that's good. Okay, this again goes take you to another page. That's good. Ah, it's pretty good. Work rights. Yeah, it's understandable.